अच्छा,
he has, and Vasudha has one small one. Others maybe I don't know.
They're coming, huh?
Devaki will come after 1 year.
Maharaj, for that small compilation about Param Guru Dev, about his relationships with his god brothers, can you say something about his relationship with Srila Sridhar Maharaj?
yes, Sridhar Maharaj and Goswami Maharaj, Sant Maharaj, Paramarthi Maharaj, every Maharaj, every disciple, Paramarthi Maharaj, Dandi Maharaj, Giri Maharaj. So they called Satirtha Pratisad Dharma. Why? Because all the god brothers, they are served by our Guru Maharaj, Madhusudan Maharaj, Paramahansa Maharaj, all are served. Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj, Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj put in Krishnanagar jail. He is an innocent person, yet he was in jail. Guru Maharaj engaged lawyer from Calcutta. No money nor anything. Giri Maharaj, he is separate and stay in Hajira Road, 108 Hajira Road. Only 55 rupees in his passbook. Immediately he withdraw 50 rupees and Guru Maharaj went there, engaged a ukil from here, lawyer. First of all, he refused to go because he is engaged with so many cases. He is a famous one. Then Dandi Maharaj, Gopal Das Prabhu, told, we are not able to pay according to your desire, so you are avoid us. No. Money is no matter of money. I go and I stand for you. I am not take any farthing, and also I am not any passage. For my own arrangement I will in Kishannagar. Then and they are released in Jamin. Case going on. But all the cases was finished. Although they murdered 3 persons because the party arranged for forcibly discharge from the moat, and engage Muslim gundas to remove the moth members from the moth. Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj innocent. He Mahamantra Kirtan in the first they are not mention the name of Krishnadas Babaji, but after that they add the name of Krishnadas Babaji and told he is also there. So they are arrested by the police and they are put in Hajat. Sundar Gopal Prabhu, Krishnadas Babaji, so many, Keshav Maharaj, so many. They are not in the field yet. They are not.
At the time they were in Chaitanya Math?
Yes.
Mool Math.
But the gundas are arrived in the moat, nearly 40. Then the Goala, milkman, they are come to the moat. Why you are come here? You are Muslim? This is the Hindu temple. They call each other. Then the Goala. Understand Goala? Milkman. They are left the moat and reach in the field. The Muslims are follow them. When they are in the field, then only 8 milkmen, they round the 40 man, and by his stick, lathi, they are finished, 3 of them, and they are played away. Then the moth filed a case against moth members. They are engaged, milkmen, but actually they are not engaged. By the will of the God, they are kept. That time Guru Maharaj at Madras, Sridhar Maharaj sent a telegram, express telegram. My future life is entirely depend on you. Immediately come. Then see. And they are released. Finally, they are all released because the lawyer asked where the event was done. In the field. Why you are come there? Your house is far from that field. And why the milkmen come there? They are coming to tender their buffaloes. Or you are coming to? They hit by their stick. Which kind of stick? They are control their buffaloes. That things. So they are do right to self himself. Why they are coming that place? So case was finished there. So Krishnadas Babaji, when he wrote any letter to Guru Maharaj, he addressed Param Karunik Madhav Maharaj. And Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj staying in Kadam Khandi, 3 or 3.5 kilometers from Nandagram, 4 kilometers or 5 kilometers, 3.5 miles, and not kilometers, now kilometers. Guru Maharaj helped him to build a room in the roof of old building. The ground floor was occupied by another Babaji's, and Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj staying there. And one Brahmachari named Jagamohan Prabhu, he left Gaudiya Math because they are not follow the path of Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. They are different. Then Jagamohan Prabhu, although he was the member of their governing body, he left Delhi Math. That time he was in charge of the Delhi Math and reached Nandagaon. And he think, I am staying here and taking Madhuguri. But it is not easy for him. So he wrote a letter to Guru Maharaj. When Guru Maharaj compelled to start Sri Chaitanya Gaudiya Math in a rented house, 86 Rasbehari Avenue, 2nd floor. Immediately Guru Maharaj wrote, come soon, through letters, detailed letters. And letter was written by me, by the dictation of Guru Maharaj. Letter is so Trinad Vishunij, we cannot expect. Guru Maharaj is not told, you may come, you come. I am enlightened to know that you grace me. Understand? That kind of word used by Guru Maharaj. If you grace me, immediately come. I think the grace of Prabhupada yet on me. So you come. He wrote a reply. I know from the reliable source, you start Brajamandal Parikrama this year. So I think after finishing the Brajamandal Parikrama, I accompanied with you. Guru Maharaj again replied, we are thinking about Brajamandal Parikrama, not yet settled. So you come soon, and if I able to perform parikrama, again you go with us by resort. Then he came. Guru Maharaj sent me to escort from the Howrah station and told me, white cloth brahmachari, you seen Tilak, Gaudiya Tilak. Very good nature and good Vaishnava, but in white cloth. As I am red cloth, I may not think that I am higher stage. So, and I went Howrah station. From engine, I observed all the bogies. That time there was no arrangement for reservation. First class, second class, inter class, third class. But he is coming from third class. But it was not known by me. Then I seen a tall brahmachari with Gaudiya Tilak ready in the door. Then I bowed down, pranam. You are Jagamohan Prabhu? Yes. Madhav Maharaj sent you? Yes. Then I take his bedding and attach. He carry his bucket, only 3 cheese with him. Then by the instruction of Guru Maharaj, I reach by taxi with Jagamohan Prabhu. And this kind of seva. And one Babaji named Deenbandhu Babaji. He is staying in Bhajan Kutir of Sanatana Goswami and taking Madhukuri every day. But he was suffered in cataract of eye. Guru Maharaj bring him to Calcutta Mott and arrange for operation by eminent eye specialist, and he is recovered. Then Guru Maharaj sent him through one brahmachari. When Giri Maharaj put in the hospital of PGI for his eye operation, and the doctor prescribed for blood, but they are not used purchasing blood from the blood bank. They are taking blood and immediately apply there. So, that group of blood is necessary. Then Guru Maharaj said, so many brahmachari, and they test their group of blood. And our Bhaman Maharaj is fit. Then Bhaman Maharaj donate blood, and Giri Maharaj was all right. Aranya Maharaj also, he cataract operation in the Shishu Manga hospital, but arranged by our Guru Maharaj. Not only that, All those God brothers, they are making mott in Mayapur. Guru Maharaj helped them as much as practicable, not financially, but otherwise. So Sundar Gopal Prabhu, Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj, and Dandi Maharaj and Santo Maharaj, they are in Dhaka Mott, and they are suffered by pox. Understand pox? No.
Yes,
Yes.
you can see spots.
But the brahmachari supply food to them from distance because it is infectious disease. Guru Maharaj seen these things. They are not beggars, they are Vaishnava. We are servant of them. So, with respect, you distribute prasad. Arrange for that diet. Then Guru Maharaj stop milk for me. Offer them. When the Guru Maharaj left this earth, Dandi Maharaj told this fact, and his eye was full of water. Paramarthi Maharaj told, we are all left a person who helped us after Prabhupada. Nobody is alive to see the God brothers. It is the talk of Paramarthi Maharaj. Paramahansa Maharaj no mott, but they are like to offer their mott, Sri Vatsavana Vidoyita Gauriya mott in Udala to our Guru Maharaj. And that time Vaikhansa Maharaj told, Mahananda Prabhu has no mott. Guru Maharaj gladly accept, not interested. And Guru Maharaj attained their function every year. For their benefit. Once a time, they cast the roof of their temple, but from the landlord, Jamindar office, they put a so-called notice to Parbat Maharaj. And Parbat Maharaj is not able to walk. He was paralyzed. Half portion of body was inactive. And no such a disciple who can fight against this. Then Parbat Maharaj sent his disciple to Guru Maharaj. sent a letter, not by his handwriting, but through other person he wrote letter, because his right side was left. We are in danger. This notice or so-called notice, why a caste group? At that time that is called a Malki rule. Nobody will cast roof their house. They are prepare their house by thatched house, tile house, not to roof. Those who are owner of 10 acre of paddy land, they can build. As Parbat Maharaj is not owner of 10 acres of paddy land, so he has no right to cast any roof. Then Guru Maharaj met their law officer. Assistant law officer sent so-called notice. A Guru Maharaj met it. And what done? All are finished. Although the Jomidar also attend that day when the group was casting, but they are not know the rules. Yet he is under his control, yet they are not know. So any people say that, because thank you. One Krishna Prem Babaji, and all event I am also a Nimitto Karan. Name Krishna Prem Babaji. He fell down from the roof and is broken. Fracture. With taxi, he reached in front of our mott. Although our mott in the second floor, he sent a man, but there was nobody in the mott. Arthat, I mean the Guru Maharaj, another persons, Tirtha Maharaj, nobody in it. That time I managed mott. I come down and seen him. Immediately I took him to the hospital, Shambhunath Pandit Hospital, and admit in the hospital. Arrange Prasad from mott, arrange doctor by request. Doctor is very kind to me. Name Dr. Brahma. And he is the eminent specialist on this kind of cases. Arrange for X-ray. I told him frankly, I am not pay anything. Every treatment will be done free. He accepted. One line free of charge. After some time, he was recovered. And he told me, I pay the cost because I have money in my bank. No, I'm not. But he was not paid. So I am not satisfied with him because first of all I told him, no, necessary. It is the direction of our Guru Maharaj. Sad Vaishnava, as much as practicable. No, I have money. You are in a rented house and this. So I but he has not paid. Another event, he was beaten by the refugee. They are coming from Bangladesh. And they take the advantage of his tree and making jaggery, that is called patali. And sent everything. He want his part because half of the owner of the tree and half the laborers. So he demand half portion. What do? You are Babaji? I am family man. I take everything. And he beat him. He was injured. The disciple of Goswami Maharaj come to our mott named Gaurdas. He told me with love. You heard the news? What kind of news? The son of Singha, lion, was beaten by the son of jackal. Understand? No. They told, we are son of lion, disciple of Prabhupada, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati. We are not fear anybody. But the jackal son beat him. I told him, inquire him, you FIR in the police station? No. Immediately FIR in the police station. You come with me. Yes, I am ready. We reached the police station. Then the in charge of the police station told me, why you are coming? You send anybody? Because they know the SP, IG, all are coming to our mott and stay in our mott. When their own work, they are coming to put up in our mott for 2-3 hours. And the police are also there. So the in charge of the police station told me, why you are coming? Send anybody. That is sufficient. That's it. And this Babaji Maharaj wrote a postcard to Guru Maharaj in his last time. I am not a sweet speaker. My language is not good. I am always abuse your disciples, but they are served me. So I like to offer my mot to you because my life is end. They are served me. But I am such a person. I only return abuse to them. It is my last will. I offer my mouth to you. Guru Maharaj immediately replied through my hand, I am not interested in taking your mouth. I have no intention to establishment in Mayapur. I am already started mot. So you offer it to other God brothers. They have no place in Mayapur. As you are disciple of Prabhupada and you have a faith to Prabhupada, so we are serve you. But my pain was stopped. And my eye falling tears. I am also read in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Gurur Sevak hoy manno apunar. I remember this events, everything, but not in my heart any action like that. They are nothing, anything. One B.D. Acharya Maharaj, Bhakti Deshik Acharya Maharaj, disciple of Prabhupada, and his writing, I think you are read. He was staying in the Kama. You know Kama? From Nandagram, Kama, the birthplace of Visakha Devi. He wrote a letter. If I use nature by Ayurvedic treatment, that is helpful to me. But I am taking Madhukuri. It is not possible for me. Immediately, Guru Maharaj told me, call Uddharan, his disciple, God brother. And Uddharan Prabhu immediately come. Go, arrange 50 rupees. from anywhere. Then he reached to the shopkeeper who purchased the rice from us. He only give 30 rupees as advance. And he go to the household old devotee named Govinda Babu. His wife, he paid 20 rupees. Immediately, Guru Maharaj told me, go to the post office and send the money by TMO, Telegram Money Orders, and told me, वैष्णव सेवा मिलने से इमीडिएट एविल करना. Understand? When comes the chance of Vaishnava Seva, immediately you serve. Because it is durlabh. Your condition may change, but chance will not come. That time there was no utensil. If we spend 50 rupees, then we can purchase a big pot for cooking. But now one small pot was donated by Shankarshan Das Adhikari, and 3 times we cook for the Muslim. Yet he sent every time, not only by mouth, but his character is like that. Yes.